Today I'm going to solve the LeetCode number 1, like twosum. So what is given in the question? Like we have given nums of array, and we have given the target. So what you have to do, we have to find index number, and we have to solve which two number indexes. Solve the nums of which two indexes, we get the target, like 9. If we solve index number 0 and index number 1, 7 plus 2, 9. So it will return 0, 1, like 0 and 1 index. So I have to return the index. So we directly go to brute force approach. We take two loops like nested in form. If the target is not present in the array, so we directly return blank array. So directly we take for int I equal to, we're starting from 0 and then we end like nums dot size I plus plus, and then second for int j equal to 0. We take from I plus 1. Less than nums dot size. Okay. J. We directly check if nums of I plus nums of j equal to target. So it will return directly index value I comma j. If index is not present in the nums, so we directly return blank array. If we run the code, accepted all my test case solution. Now if you go to submit, so it will take 46 milliseconds because this is not a complete optimized solution. In next video, I will go for optimized solution. So this is my code for brute force approach. This is my solution, like if we take 46 milliseconds. Okay. Thank you.